Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn by Practical channel. We are starting a new series on Angular 17 authentication using JSON Web Token JWT. In this video, we are going to take a demo of what we will be going to build in upcoming videos. Throughout this series, we will build a complete authentication system from scratch. We will be using Angular 17 on the front end and leverage Laravel with Laravel Passport for API authentication. We will also connect to a MySQL database and explore usage of local storage. By the end of the series, you will be able to confidently implement authentication with JWT in your Angular application. So whether you are a beginner or an Angular developer new to JWT, this series is for you. Let's dive in what we are going to build. Here you can see I have a running Angular application. Right now the page you are seeing is the login page. It has two fields, email and password. This page is built using template driven form. We have added the required validation. If you try to enter something in the email field and remove it, it says email is required. Similarly, if you type something in password field and remove it, it says password is required. If you type something abcd@gmail.com and add some password, you will see the sign in button is enabled. Below password, you can see you have a link, don't have an account, click to sign up. If I click on this, it will redirect us to the sign up page. It will redirect us to the sign up page. In the sign up page, you can see we have three fields, name, email and password. We have built this form using reactive forms. We have tried to cover both template driven forms and reactive forms. In login page, we are using template driven form, and in register page, we are using reactive form modules. Below that, you can see already have an account, click to sign in. If I click on this, it will redirect us to the login page. Now, if I try to click on sign up, it will says please specify name, please specify email, please specify password. So the required validation is already added in the register page. Let's try to register a user. We will be using fake email. Let's go to Google and type fake email. So I will open this. It will create a temporary email for our testing. It has created us an email. Let us use this email to register an user. I have copied this email. If I go to my application and type John Doe and I provide the email and type the password. Let's type the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so I can remember it. Now if I click on sign up, it will display a loader and it will send us an OTP to this email. Let's wait till it sends the OTP. It has sent an 6-digit OTP to this email ID. Let us check if we have received any OTP on this email ID. If I go to my temp email, if you see here, you have received a mail. If I click on this, and it will display this message, Angular 17 Authentication 2024 with Laravel, verify your email. Here is your OTP, which is of 6-digit 903122. Let's move back to our application and try to complete our registration. It's 903122. 9. So you can see if I have typed any value, it will automatically shift the focus to the next input. 3 1 2 2. If I click on backspace, it will automatically focus on our previous element. Before validating this user, let's also check if recent OTP is working or not. If I click on recent OTP, you will see a loader is running in the background. You can see a 15-second timer is set. After 15 seconds only, this reset OTP button will be enabled. Now if I go to my mail and check, I will once again receive an email. Here you can see I have received another email, but the OTP is different from the previous one. If I go back to this and check this email, both have different OTP. If you try to sign up using this OTP is not valid right now. So I need to go to my inbox and click on the latest email which I have received. Now the OTP is 903122. So I will go to my verify OTP in my OTP verification screen and try to input this 903122. 903122. Now if I click on validate, so it says invalid user or OTP. My fault. The latest email is on top. So your latest OTP 139645. So this OTP is old one. It will not work. The latest OTP is 139645. I have entered the valid OTP. Now if I click on validate, it will load the loader and you can see I have a beautiful toast message, user verified successfully. Now if I try to log in using this email ID, and the password is 12345678, and click on sign in, you will see a loader. This is implemented using loader interceptor, and you can see logged in successfully. I am able to see the details of the users. Now here you can see you have a logout option and this is the title. If I click on logout, it will redirect back us to the login screen. Now if I try to access dashboard directly, it will redirect us back to the login page. So we have implemented the concept of auth guard. We will be seeing all the interceptors. We will implement loader interceptor, token interceptor, and error interceptor in a project. That's the demo of the project. If you like the demo, please like, share, and subscribe. If you think this upcoming series will help others, please share and also provide comments. What are the things I need to improve? Thank you.